Douala with Idoti, market them too with Idoti. This afternoon, we go enter now for inside market for that side. So for Dakar, for tell on say that people they hear bad. As we don't say we don't start for Doti say now the full of people them. But Sabi say inside the chapter for Doti, it dey like say work people then say they don't tire. We go enter for inside quarter them from today. So they will show now. As we town them or quarter them for inside Douala, quarter them way they say na big quarter them for Douala, Doti in the floor for all side. So for this afternoon we go turn back for that side. So for place where they call am say waiting Limbe for talk this what way the past for day. It be dinner yesterday with fire. It burn some 11 years girl picking for inside house. Now so too we go tell on this afternoon Palava senator them. Una sabi say wetin 16 senator dem say they don't deny say they no go work the work wey dem dey fair work am under governor. They go concentrate na only for inside senate house. This one na for the ngando wey they be give them official flag for Cameroon or that way they put am for their skin for say they so they don't be na true senator them inside country. Tori dem wey newspaper dem say they talk we go bring am for this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting, say army when a sheep, army for sheep, when a lion, it dey for before, it go ever knock army for sheep, when na waiting, army for lion, when a sheep, it dey for before. As a waiting, army for sheep, when a lion, it dey for before, it go ever knock army for lion, when a sheep, it dey for before. Now Shea Vincent for land for legendary hospitality for Boya side. Now he send me big part talk for today. At the turn back some more time. Good afternoon, country people them. I don't talk for now say from today. So even we go open special page for Inside PG News for talk palava for Doti. Where you know the ever finish for Douala here. We go turn for the quarter them where they tossing a big quarter them for Douala here. We so for the Doti in the ever finish for inside. For today we go begin now with the palava for Doti for inside market for Dakar where the Doti. It don't cause confusion for inside that market side for Dakar. People they ask question whether company where they look at Doti na so the money when governor in the owe for them or na say na job bahad where they bahad now. Doti for inside markets and rain sesep it don't start for poto for all side. Plus water rain where don't turn up, plus dirty where they don't pack them, where even people the way they carry dirty, they be careful can't carry the dirty. So now they never fit for carry the dirty. And now inside market that country people them inside market for that side. So for Dakar, oh man, dirty says in the one cover roads. Oh man, in the trouble now for pass for your own small road for that side. So for Dakar market. It don't be na one way population for Dakar market. Then CSF the detox say which kind of thing be this? Cameroon for 2035 now so it go be if 2018 dirty it is also full up for inside place. Market way na place where normal it be get for clean. Rain it don't start for Douala. Now the thing that when rain is start for so water rain till it can't turn up. Now so two people then say they go the get na only that smell for dirty corner people. Dirty for all corner side so it make people then for that side for Dakar market. They ask na question whether na dirty way they buy am or na dirty way it dey so they don't come for can chop am. For Sika say the dirty it the smell and Sabi say smell for the dirty. When the dirty come for your corner or you go for corner the dirty where you the chop or you even pass it for corner. No place e no dey for Douala now way you no fit pass where you no lock your nose. All sides it is smell. Inside market except when market e no get for smell. Na so smell e dey for inside market. Na dirty that where they don't pack am, keep am. Water rain to in the fall, rain to the fall, water rain in the turn up, dirty for one place. Who side work people then where they carry dirty the day? Organ governor delegate. Who side that work people the day? As Sabi say now you give them contract and now you Sabi as well the people they work. But now the market and that market they the dirty the go. I say market them the dirty the go and no man e know the talk. No man e know the talk. Na market that for Dakar wey dirty e don flop so tey even flop for corner road. The thing wey e dey vex you na say wetin, the dirty e dey na for middle road, no na even for place wey e dey so they don keep that container say make dem put dirty for inside. Na for middle road wey the dirty dey so, place wey that dirty dey, normal motor be get for the pass, but dirty e don cover the whole place. I say dirty e don cover the whole place. Country people dem, which side we dey go? I say which side we dey go? Now who go help country for go for before? I dey ask na question, who go help country 2035? They say country must go for before. Now which kind of disgrace this? Now which kind of what image dey for country? Na that, na the dirty that. No man in no one for carry dirty. Dirty the only pack up. Even place dem like Bona Musadi, Bona Prizo, Bona Njo, all the place where they don't call away, they say na BB quarter them. So dirty e flop. You go for Axelu for Bepanda, for middle road, now they don't trade dirty for all the place. I don't tell una say I go the enter for inside quarter now. All that dirty them, I go the show now. Say they so populations, whether na population say e no one understand no, or na say na the people dem swear they walk where they carry dirty, they don't tire o. Man e no sabi. But 2035, Nkunkuma talk say Cameroon go for before. Now for Palava say make God e give all we long life. For see as well 2035 e go be for inside country. For Limbe e be dey na BB cry. I say wetin? For Limbe na BB cry. Pikin wey dey call am say Yanis. E name e dey na past tense. Pikin for 10 years. E dey go primary school for Catholic school for Mile 4 Bona Dikombo. Pikin born for inside fire. I say fire e cash for Calabo house. The only can see na pikin e die body. Where pikin don born, that way they touch and so it is stick. Na all pikin e die body that. Pikin e bones, country people. Na die body that way they mute up and for inside. Mami pikin no fit for cry. Population e comot for outside where e no dey them for cry. E be dey na palava where people dey say chai. Which kind of fire be this? Which kind of fire be this way go burn innocent pikin for inside? They be dey them fall for inside the house when fire start cash. 3, they be run like say they be sabi for, they be run past a Usain Bolt. 1, e no be fit for run. Now they start turn the find that one Yanis 10-year pikin. Find it, sote last. Now after they don't finish lost fire. Now they can say and say that fire it be cash for Yanis skin. As well with the talk, country people, they say they don't carry Yanis die body take and go for village. They come on for west region, for that side for Bafusan. They don't carry the die body for go bury and for day. So now they were working that way, it pass, it meet up people them for Mile 4 for Bona Dikombo. Now for that side, so for Limbe country people them. Gendarme people they say they can't write their own small book. But they come na time where fire be already finish work. When they talk Ashia for family for Yanis. Now say me Papa God continue the rest. For Ezekatu fire. I say waiting. Ezekatu fire. Waiting pass for Ezeka. Marché as well they call am. Now the big market. Fire e waka for inside. I say fire waka for inside for market for Ezeka. Now the market that. The thing wey the vast population for Ezeka na say they no get army rescue. Police wey dey fight with the fire. E no dey for Ezeka. The only one way e dey, e must to comot for Yawende, come for Ezeka. And the far away place where the thing dey, e no be dey na one way. Even if they for comot for Yawende, they for fit for can lose the fire. Fire e burn store demo, e burn 1, e burn 2, e burn 3. Now the smoker go then that way they comot am for outside. Even Dio except e no sleep, e cut e sleep, e can't sit where fire don't do am. So fire for Ezeka, one day they no be sabi wait till the pass on night. They wake up for morning time. They only can they open their eye them. Crow eye them. They see how people they are store them. All them sleep for ground. They say na the palava where they thief electricity for inside market. Now it cause fire for Ezeka. Now the first time this way the market is the bomb plenty so. First time. Now 1 store, 2 store, 1 store, 2 store, 1 store, 2 store. Where they be the catch fire. But now so e be dey na 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 store dem wey fire e touch am for Ezekiel. And one man wey e can meet up his store wey don burn, the man e just collapse. He collapse one time. He say he just comot for buy cargo for put am for his store 7 million. He never say one thing for inside the store wey fire e cancel well. So as wey fire the cash con the people, na so thief boy dem too dey be dey the thief. Some woman e own store wey dey sell na fish, dey thief all thing for inside the store before fire say wan burn the store. So we dey talk so Ezekiel people dey suffer. Na for sika say army rescue unit no dey for Ezekiel. The only army rescue unit wey dey for Ezekiel, e must to comot for Yawende. E must to comot Yawende camp. And the thing wey dey connect light careless inside market, all people dey get for lookout. Yes, all people dey get for lookout. The thing wey dey connect fire some kind of way, connect light corner way. Na the thing that way make the market e burn. Then even company too dey lookout light, make dey stop for the cut light bringer. Cameroon e don pass that level wey dey go dey so the cut light bringer. Na wetin una dey play na with pikin dem? Cameroon no be na pikin. Cameroon e no be na pikin. We go enter now so for inside chapter for culture. We take una go for Ninon. Na for Bakosi side. Ninon peoples, they don't get their new chief. But sabi say Ngando pass na under eye for Kamamburu people dem. Only way they be full up for place where they be the main Ngando. SD Osese for Kupe Maninguba. Oga Augustine. Ebidede for see as well they put new chief for Ninon people dem for chair. Yes, now the small house we don't come on, the traditional house called country house where new chief e comot. Country fashion. This man where they put it for chair, His Royal Highness Ekwele Emmanuel Makoge. Now where they put it for chair, and they put it for chair so now after 10 years when the non peoples they don't she don't so they no get person wey go look at them like their head boy. So last after the meeting no, they want they come consultation talk. They come from Ndongame say now go be chief, now go be chief, now no go be chief. Last SDO Sese for Kupe Maninguba. Oga Augustine, he go put His Royal Highness Ekwele Emmanuel Makoge for chair. And as I talk, they don't she done for 10 years. I say 10 years where they never she done for on top that chair. Pastor Sese Ebidede. I say Pastor Sese Ebidede for prayer. I say make Papa go look out. And waiting the talk for the new chief. They say make you look out, say it plays, it develop. And SDO Sese it talks say true. The palava for Northwest West, it don't worry place. And plenty of the people then too they no car. For Sika say their heart it be the court. Say the boy then the fit cash them for road. But Sabi say the new chief for Nino, he don't talk everything. Say he go see as we go trouble for fight. So that peace it come for all Nino peoples and Kupe Maninguba in general. So now so His Royal Majesty Ekwele Emmanuel Makoge. Now he say he don't take chair official like a chief for the non people them for that side, so for Kupe Maninguba. We dey talk palava for country fashion, palava for chief the way they chop chair. For that side where they call am saying Goma, big trouble dey. I say waiting from Goma for inside Douala here. People them from Goma they say Oga D.O. he don't make big mistake. Oga D.O. they call am na waiting Nuhu Bello. Goma dey na for under Douala 3. Chief from Goma, where they call him say Bakala, if you don't go waka. Normal, according to commandeer, na inside chief house so they be get for choose one man. But according to where they talk, Oga D.O. if you don't make mistake for put man way he no even consign in hand no day inside the thing self at all. For chair like a new chief for people them from Goma, now for inside Douala here. So now so people them from Goma they tossing a Pachao. Pacha say the person where they put it like a chief. They no even sabi like person for inside country. You understand? They say normal the chief he began for come for inside Chief Bakala his own family where chief be don't go waka. So people them from Goma for inside Douala 3 to them say they talk say Pacha don't happen. They say Pacha it don't happen. So as so they talk so they themselves say they vex. They come governor say main governor try for cancel the thing. Say the kind of thing you know find say they must to respect tradition. They say D.O. he never respect tradition. say he choose na own person wey commander no dey so na the thing that way dey pass. If people dem for Ninom dey put their chief quiet, people dem for Ngoma wey na for inside Douala here dey claim for talk say Oga Dio no respect tradition, he don only can choose na person wey normal thing dey be get for pastor some kind way. So na Oga Dio say settle that. Oga Nuhu Bello he don put the new man for chair, but people dem from Ngoma they say no way, they say they no like am at all. We go comot inside chapter for culture, we enter for palava for politics. Make we take una for Yawende. Official senator dem we fit call dem now say senator. Yes, first time they be dey na Sangalong. I say first time they be dey na Sangalong. But now so I say they don't put that Cameroon flag on top their skin. Now so I fit talk say senator from the Imukete, he want to get too tight to massa. Move one tight to no chief. Now then that. Now yesterday for Yawende, where all the senator then they wear that flag. For talk say official they be senator. First time they no be the senator. But sabi say tori wey dey for inside the palava. Now say wetin? 16 senator them wey they be don the shidon for 2 chair. They comot. I say 16 senator the way they be don the take chair they comot. One way he comot wey Sabina from V Imukete, he be dey na board chair for Kamte. He don't deny. Senator Mbela Mukicha Sesebi na normal man. He don't ever the waka straight. Understand? He don't enter one time, he don't shidon two. So as well the talk, the senior people them they don't take their chair official, but the tori for day now say 16 senator them where they be don the make so. Last they don't turn up straight. They say they want be now only for inside Senate house. So they don't forget about the other chair them. It means say they don't chop money for 5 years. Two salary. They don't chop 2 salary for 5 years. They will ask them they back the salary back or they go let them so. No ask me. Make we enter now so for chapter for Labor Day. Chapter 1. Equinox story people. Equinox story people for Labor Day. Make we enter for inside chapter for Labor Day for inside we house sesep. We be don dey show people them will show people them will better more show ourselves sesep. We sesep will be glad and we'll be there with our big man Oga Severen Chunke. Oga pata for tori people them for Equinox. And he know the comot anyhow. Na padima way anytime we comot, he must to do something way e big for people them. And true, he show it way he come for Kandua. Na that card the way he hold am so for a hand. Now so when Equinox story man dey sick, he no go overspend plenty money. Money no go spend am plenty. He only go pay, I go pay na only small. Na the card and that. So all Equinox story people them and even Nouvelle Expression when na so part for Equinox. All man, he don't get a card. I say all man don't get card. He be then a big glad for inside country here. All people that be there face their way, never even see them. Where Carl Lewis show me small thing. Sophie where all the people there. So when they don't need to see them, so when they don't sabi them for face. Yeah, that one a bed beside. And all the other people them. We'll be get competition for best clothes. We'll get competition for best dance man. All that one then so it be big part for inside the chapter. So sabi say then gando. It be then one way all will be she done, we enjoy, we laugh. Now ambassador says that. You see ambassador no all play to be there. It be there for enjoy so that way to happen. Shala messes up, it be there for inside competition for best clothes for for work big day for work people there. So Equinox story people them and Nouvelle Expression all them. Then say they be there for outside for enjoy the chapter. But as well turn now that card for sick. Now we be make the story for our own big day. That card then so now we make our own story for sick say any sigma now so for Equinox. Now so if she done he go pay na small money instead for you for pay even 20,000 maybe if you pay some 10,000 or even 5,000 you understand. So now the good thing then that way Oga pata for Torias Severen Chunke he don't make am for all work people them inside Equinox Tori house. So it be then our own big day and it be true big day for we for enjoy. So other tori for big day we take una go for Sawes for Limbe side. sabi say na for Limbe wey all work people dem for Boya or Fako division dem be meet up for Gladam, and for Limbe all the people the way they talk, or I say trade union the way they talk na palava no west or west. They the beg say wetin main governor e try for she don talk peace so that people dey feel she don fine. Say some work people dey dey wey they don go for by first pension. For Sika say money no dey for pay their work people dem. For Sika the palava for no west or west plenty binet e don die. As I mean say people dey for Esa hotel business like a Maxim they don't dey suffer. Like Azim hotel people they don't dey suffer. All dem so for Sika waiting for Sika palava for no west or west. Now one of the BB cry that where e dey so they talk for the people dem for that side, so for inside Southwest say main governor put his hand for inside the palava and the mash wey e pass for that side for Limbe for Glad Labour Day according to Tori peoples and according to wetin wey they talk dem mash e be just dey some kind the population wey dey ever be dey e no be dey that kind of way. But on top all that one Oga SDO Emmanuel Ngaba Ledu for Fako division wey na be oga kpatakpata e talk say make work people dey so tie hard for work, empty chair dey be dey plenty. That one I for tell you say the gano be just dey some kind you understand, gano be just dey some kind for that side, so for Limbe how many men that they give am? They give 36 musanga for work people the way they show say they don dey work fine for that side, so for Limbe. So na so the big day e pass for Fako division. Sabi say as well people they be glad for that side for Limbe where they come out for Fako division general for inside Boya Sesep. Some work people they say they need to go margin. Yes, I say for inside Boya work people they dey way that day it be just dey like normal work day for them. Make we enter for inside Boya. They want them now one day they make mechanic work inside Boya for Labor Day. They decide say then they need to go work them. For Sika say whether they go work or they no go work, no nothing e no go so happen. And they go so find money for gear for them woman them or for buy chop for inside it. Carpenter oh, they be there for workplace. Mechanical they be there for workplace for do waiting. Look out customer the way they come with their work them. So for tell you say for that side for Boya, as well carpenter people they be do their work for find their small garage for chop. Mechanic people then too they do their work for find their own small garage for chop. Welder people then too they do their work for find their own small garage for chop. Now so too all people then for that side they say okay. Then they be there for their workshop. But for inside street for Boya oh tonton, some people they enjoy they drink their wawa man. But for road, I say for road, someone they don't wear their ashwabi. Then too they be one go mash. They be go for Limbe. So now for tell na say no na all people they be get hard for enter for inside the palava mash. For number 1 day for inside the moon. For Sika say they na they say they find their money. So better them they should done for their workplace. They do their work fine. Now so the thing. It pass for that side, so for Limbe or for Boya. Make we hear some of the people then they talk for we waiting way in make away they no go for go mash.
If I go mash hala for the one come mama picking they will cry hungry. That other things will be for me. That's why I don't decide I no go mash today. Because the country they now so we will fear now. You go mash, you want come back. Sometimes you want to go tomorrow, you want be against it, they no go how it happen, so now die when I don't die. I don't make the work today.
I don't cry for me yesterday for night. Now don't say no, better solve the problem. And after this we'll go enjoy the day of today. Okay. And the engine this one move up down.
I begin some customer where I be ready today.
I never go for Limbe for go match now because my patron at don't talk. We get to cancel some customers.
Yes, so now work people then that way they no go then for go match. They don't tell we plenty reason we make and they no be enjoy their own big day. Now so for inside Limbe, just for Sabise for that side, so for CDC for Limbe Sabise now one of the people them where they give work after Ngomna, it be then a big day too for them. Sabise one so Sabi 500 work people them for that side, so for CDC then too they be get their own musanga them, they be give them musanga for that side. Total for 1,200 298 musanga them, they begin for them. But sabi say even the work people them, they decry plenty, they try for talk waiting, main governor, he try for put him up for inside this palaver for Norwest and Southwest for say the thing, he don't make them say they know they get enjoy, they know they get a heart for go their workplace, particularly for places like Iluani and so other places like Tombem, where this palaver for Norwest and Southwest, he don't block plenty of the work people them for say me they no come up for outside. Oga Gregoire wona say ebidede as well they give 1,298 musanga them for 500 work people them for inside the number 2 employer for country after Ngomna. We left that side. Last story for this afternoon. So for inside this palaver for Norwest and Southwest. Number 1 day for inside number 5 moon. For Bamenda side, we'll be try for Tonton. For inside some other place and for check as well then Gando Pals. For side for Momo, we na Oga Absalom Wolowo, we de na SDO. Na ibi look at Ngando. Chair ibi de empty for population the way they don't live. Most of them ibi de na place where they live for Igwe them for Shidon on top. But they no come even for grandstand. Con the people them mayor the day where they no even show their hate for that side. So for Bamenda as well they be the glad big day for work people them for that side for Bamenda. Now for talks waiting this palaver for Norwest and Southwest now it don't really make people they hear bad for if the match where it pass for them according to it will happen. Now only 2 cancel the match. Nji kwa cancel na the match and even Beng we cancel na the 2 cancel then that way the match for that side. So for Momo according to Tori enter for we ear all the one then so now for Sika the fear for that side. So for sick for Norwest and Southwest dance every day. Even musanga then too ebide they began for people them but sabi say that day ebide na some 1 day too where they look like country Sunday for that side as well the whole place it be quiet. Now the Tori then that so look for now for this afternoon. Now so make we enter for which way the Tori the way they day for outside the talk. The media newspaper it tell we say palava insecurity for Iluani, Bua and Tombel. They talk say 2,000 work. A day waste more time people they feel lost for Sika this chapter for Norwest and Southwest. So for inside the median you feel read other Tori them where they try for tell we say waiting. Some one of Ambazonia man where they shoot it take his own medicine and drip. Now for that size for Yawinde Garnison Hospital. So for inside the median, other Tori the day where they talk Palava Ambazonia, where they talk say they enter for Muyenge, Batibo, and even for that side for Bali, Nyasoso Azi, the one it make plenty people them they don't run come out for inside that village them according to where the median it talk. We enter now so for the guidance post where it day for outside today. Con the people them guidance post where it day for outside this afternoon. It tell you say waiting. People them they don't already start talk. Say men Kunkuma, you know make no mistake for put different person anglophone for put a francophone for on top chair like a board chair for Camtel. This one now after we this so from VE Mukete it decides waiting. It go one concentrate for inside a palava for Senate. So for inside the guidance post anglophone chap palava for Norwest and Southwest. They tell we say minister for sick people them. It don't the one say sick for malaria if you make plenty people they sleep straight for that side. So for Norwest now so to the tell we say some of we come be them where they did run come up for year for Sika this palava for fight for country for Norwest Southwest. They don't deride their name for vote for inside Nigeria and their election. Last another one will look for inside today na Eden newspaper country people them the Eden newspaper strong number for day palava for Norwest Southwest. They tell we say Southwest and Norwest work people them all they be talk na one thing. They say main governor he make a talk it be for country true talk it be for country as well they go do it in as well they go fight this palava where they happen for Norwest and Southwest. Them to the talk palava for principal for St. Bede's College where it is so they don't do it in they don't last levy after with the TV for number 30 day for number 4 moon. Other to read the day for the Eden newspaper where it day for outside. The Post newspaper where they for outside. The last one will look for inside this afternoon. The Post newspaper strong number for inside the post. They try for talk say wetin talk wey Osi Joshua talk for people them for West region. Now say wetin make them no so remain like slave for under one man for 7 years. This one na the strong talk wey Osi Joshua talk as way e be go so for that side so for Buddha wey they be one show for population. Inside the same the post weekender you go read some tori where they talk say wetin Kamamburu people them they throw tear gas for on top some one man of God where e be one unknown say e dey so he wan turn up for drag group with Nkunkuma for chapter for vote for 2018. Just for sabi say Prophet Frank, he be the only one man for inside country, man of God, where he don't talk say he wan turn up for palaba for vote. And sabi say he own party, according to which we hear them, he own party na national program for peace inside Cameroon. So some of the tori them you feel read them for inside the post weekend where it dey for outside country people them. Now so we see country for today. Sabi say we dey na for seekers on a day for outside. On a hold am tight.